I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a short video on YouTube. First, open YouTube Studio on your computer or mobile device. You can find it by searching YouTube Studio or by clicking your profile picture on YouTube and selecting YouTube Studio. Once inside, look for the Content option in the menu on the left side of your screen. This is where all your uploaded videos, including shorts, are listed. After clicking Content, you'll see a list of all your videos. Find the short you want to delete. When you hover your mouse over the video's thumbnail or tap it on mobile, a few icons will appear. Look for the 3 vertical dots which represent the Options menu. Click or tap these dots, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Forever. YouTube will then display a warning message. It's very important to read this message carefully. It explains that once you delete the video, it's gone permanently and cannot be recovered. To confirm you understand this, you'll need to check a small box acknowledging the permanent deletion. This step ensures you are fully aware of the action you are taking. After checking the confirmation box, click the Delete Forever button one final time. Your short video will then be immediately removed from your YouTube channel. It might take a few moments for the change to fully propagate across all of YouTube's systems, but the video will no longer be visible to your viewers. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted your YouTube short, ensuring it is gone for good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.